Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we are going to fix an issue of the game, Banishers Ghost of New Eden. So the game is not working on PS5 and in this video we're gonna see some ways to fix it. So if you are facing difficulties while playing the online mode of the game, then first of all check your internet connection and check the network status page of the PlayStation. This will help you to know whether all services of PlayStation are working properly or not. And if your game keeps crashing while launching, then first of all verify the integrity of the game file. After doing this, uninstall the game, restart your PlayStation and then reinstall the game. The next way is to play the game in performance mode. To enable the performance mode, go to game settings, go to game preset, and there you will get an option of performance mode. The next way is to update the system software of PlayStation. The next way is to rebuild the database. This will provide a fresh start to your console, but you have to perform this process very carefully. So to rebuild your database, first of all turn off your PS5 console, then press and hold the power button until you hear the second beep sound. Connect your controller to the console while using USB cable and press the PS button on your controller. By doing this, you will enter the safe mode of PlayStation 5. Now select the option of rebuild database, then you will receive a message. Just click OK to confirm the operation. Once the process is completed, your issue will be resolved. So these were some ways to fix your issue. I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. You can also visit our website from the link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.